So I'm going to show you how to get the XP program downloaded properly on Windows specifically. For the XP pen, you want to plug it in first so that your computer can recognize it. And then you're going to Google XP pen download. And then just click the first link that comes up where it has the actual XP pen site to download from. And then we're going to scroll down and select the product that we have, which is going to be the Deco Mini 4. So once you click that Deco Mini 4, once again, scroll down and you're going to want to download the Windows version, unless you have a Mac, but I'm just going to go over the PC version. As soon as you click download, the download should start down here. And once that's done downloading, you can click on it to open up its location in your downloads. And then you want to double click it to get the application started or to get the installation started. And I'm going to allow it to make changes on my device. And then you're going to get this little screen here. And before you click install, you have to click the I've read and agreed to the license agreement and then click install. It installs pretty quickly, so as soon as it's done installing, it'll take you to the next screen. And you can check the quick guide if you want to. I'm going to skip this part just because I'm not going over how to use it. It's very straightforward. There's nothing really difficult about how to use it. So I'm going to uncheck it and complete my installation. And as soon as that installation is complete, I'm going to just exit out of this for now. And you can see Pen Tablet was downloaded onto your desktop. Now you can also see the icon right here. And since the program's already running, I'm just going to click this icon to pull it up. And this right here should indicate or confirm that it was downloaded properly. Now I'm currently using my laptop's trackpad and mouse cursor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move over to that XP pen. I'm going to pick up the pen and I am going to pretty much carry the pen over on top of that XP pen trackboard that it came with. And then you know it's working once that mouse starts moving. And this mouse is now the pen that I am moving over the trackpad. And I'm going to put pressure to make sure that it's working. And when you see the current pressure go up, you know that it is working properly. Now, just to show you a demo to test it out, I'm going to go back to this untitled Google Doc. And I do have Epic Pen open, and I had a separate PD on how to download Epic Pen, the basic version. And you can use this on a Google Doc. You can use it with Cami. I don't have Cami on this computer, so I'm not going to show you an example of Cami, but you can go over and click the pen option. And once you start writing, that's how you know that it works. And it's pretty straightforward to use. And that's it.